Hello and welcome back to another lesson with Mrs. Huggins. Today we are going to be focusing in on Patriot Day. Let's take a moment to see what you already know about Patriot Day. Pause the video here now and fill in your graphic organizer in the first left column. What do I know about Patriot Day? Next, what would you like to know more about? What do I want to know in relation to Patriot Day? Go ahead and pause the video here and now so that you can write in a question or questions that you would like to seek answers for relating to Patriot Day. Patriot Day is National Day of Service and Remembrance. You might be asking yourself, what is a patriot? Or you might already know. In short, a patriot is a person who loves and strongly supports or fights for his or her country. In this story, we will discuss American patriots. The term patriots was created by the revolutionaries during the Revolutionary War in 1776. These patriots loved and supported America so much that they were willing to risk their lives in order to gain freedom from Great Britain. These patriots were also known as freedom fighters. On September 11, 2001, in the early morning that Tuesday, 4 coordinated attacks were executed on American soil. Terrorists hijacked all 4 planes. The planes were headed from New York to California, and the hijackers quickly took over the planes. 2 planes targeted the World Trade Center, the World Trade Center Twin Towers, which are, or used to be, the tallest buildings in the world. A 3rd plane targeted the Pentagon in Arlington County, Virginia. A 4th plane was headed towards Washington, D.C., but the passengers overthrew the hijackers and crash-landed near Shanksville, Pennsylvania. To give you an idea of how much this affected me, when I was in 5th grade, the plane that crashed in Shanksville, Virginia was about 30 minutes from where I used to live, and you can take a look at this map. To describe what Patriot Day was in one word, it could be described as devastation. The attacks were the deadliest attacks on American soil in the history of the United States. Within an hour and 42 minutes, both 110-story towers collapsed. 2,996 people died and over 6,000 people were injured. Hundreds of New York firefighters and New York police officers lost their lives during rescue missions. Millions of Americans mourned the loss of friends and family members. America was devastated. It would never be the same. So, President George W. Bush proclaimed Patriot Day to be held each year on September 11. The Patriot Day was observation of September 11, 2002. President Barack Obama designed September 11th as Patriot Day and National Day of Service and Remembrance since 2009. On this day, we remember the friends and family members who were lost during the tragedy, and the patriots who fought to rescue and defend our freedom. An Israeli-American architect named Michael Arid was selected a winner of a design competition for 9/11 Memorial. His memorial included 3 symbols: a waterfall, a void, and a pool. The waterfall represents tears, while it also masks the noise of a busy city. The void represents the enormous loss. The reflective pool symbolizes remembrance. We will always look back and never forget all 2,977 names of those deceased and etched around the waterfall. Here is a look of Michael Arid and his 3D design that came to life. Here's what it looks like today. So, for your activity, you have 2 challenge choices. Your first challenge choice, is the 9/11 Memorial. Congratulations! You have been selected to submit a design for the 9/11 Memorial in New York City, New York. To enter the contest, you must use your architectural skills to create a blueprint and a description about your design. Challenge number 2 is Freestanding Skyscraper. Congratulations! You have been selected to submit a design for the 9/11 Memorial in New York City, New York. To enter the contest, you must use architectural skills to create a 3D blueprint. You will answer and respond to the question, what is the tallest freestanding structure you can build with 20 marshmallows and 13 spaghetti noodles? Good luck!